always been hard about cleaner training. We've always expected one person to have two very different skill sets. We want trainers who are excellent cleaners, patient teachers, strong leaders, good motivators, willing to correct people, and willing to clean beside trainees every day. That is a very hard person to find because the classic shadow training model depends on the trainer doing most of the teaching by demonstration. First, the trainer cleans while the trainee watches. Then the trainee cleans while the trainer guides, encourages, and fine-tunes. That sounds simple, but in real life, watching a bathroom cleaned one time is not enough for most trainees to remember all the details. So the trainer spends the remainder of the entire day correcting mistakes. Very few attaboys and an awful lot of aw shits. You missed this, do it this way, don't forget that, and eventually the trainer just gets worn out. Not because they don't care, but because they're carrying the entire training load by themselves. That's the paradigm shift Clean Smart Academy has made possible. Before a trainee ever works beside a trainer, they study how to clean a bathroom 4 different times. First, Belle and the professor teach the process through animation. Second, the trainee reads the editable manual using your tools, your products, and your procedures. Third, the trainee watches a real human clean a shower or a tub or a sink, so they see the actual procedure performed in real life. Fourth, we test them on everything they learned. So by the time the trainee ever works beside a trainer, they already know how to clean a bathroom perfectly, including every little detail. Now the trainer spends far less time correcting mistakes and a whole lot more time saying, "Good job, exactly right, you've got this." That changes the entire feeling of training. And on top of that, they didn't have to clean the bathroom. So honestly, for only $40 a month, why wouldn't you at least try the Clean Smart Academy kit? And if you don't even want to spend the $40 yet, there is a free 5-day trial. So click on comments and see for yourself how different training can feel. I do hope you use our kit and join our growing community of users at Clean Smart Academy, where cleaners grow and leaders emerge. Until next time, happy training.